Mindset, you gotta have that mindset.
Gotta have that mindset.
You need to hear this shit, you wanna move like this, you wanna move like that.
Gotta have it, man.
Wanna get a real bad bitch, wanna keep that pat, but you won't buy it, better pray and make it back. Let's go.
I'm saying auntie said, uncle said, always stay solid and grow. Yes, man. Yes, I can't let that boy play with me, but I know it's gonna hurt. So I shit down on the law, always keep my curse. Oh, Lucifer, way too much vibe. You won't fuck with me. You can't post show with my rich.
Gotta with me, holding me back, I'm tryna get rich, bitch.
But that shit hurt my heart, man. Let me start having that little start, pretty much. But you understand, you hurt. Don't looking like I gotta do something, niggas. Every day I'm saying my grace. I gotta feel that work. I gotta feel that patience. I gotta understand how the fuck I'm supposed to feel. I already felt that shit. Gotta love that mo. Gotta see where I grow into. Gotta be a boss. Gotta be AK. YPB the nation.
All we do is play shit. Smoke some.
I gotta make some happen. Gotta have that. Gotta have that mindset. That mindset. Gotta have that mindset. That mindset.
Gotta have that mindset. See, I make let's make a bed. Shit.
Mindset. Gotta have that mindset. If you try and get that money, have that mindset. I said, cause it's have that mindset. Real niggas say have that mindset. Hey! King out.
Nigga gon' think you sweet cause I sing. Nigga, let's get it. Nigga, let's go. Mindset. Again, King out. Yeah. Gotta have that mindset. That mindset. Hey, they say have that mindset. Even the principal say have that mindset. Gotta have it. High school, college, let me do all that want to. I'm out for it. Let's keep it. Let's go.